Have you accidentally deleted an important contact from your iPhone only to realize later that you actually needed it? Or maybe some of your contacts suddenly disappeared after changing an iCloud setting, updating your iPhone, or switching to a new device. Whatever the reason, don't panic just yet because your contacts may still be recoverable. In this video, I'll show you several ways to recover deleted contacts on an iPhone, starting with the options already available through Apple. And I'll also show you what you can try if you don't have a usable backup. So let's get started. The first method is worth trying if you use iCloud to sync your contacts. Open a browser on your phone or computer and go to iCloud.com. Sign in using the same Apple account that's connected to your iPhone. Once you're signed in, look for the Data Recovery section and select Restore Contacts. Here, you may see archived versions of your contacts from different dates. Choose an archive from before the contacts disappeared and select Restore. Keep in mind that restoring an older archive replaces the contacts currently synced through iCloud with the contacts from that archive. Apple does archive your current contacts before restoring the older version, so you can switch back if necessary. Once the restoration is complete, give your iPhone some time to sync with iCloud and check the Contacts app again. If your missing contacts are back, you're done. But if there isn't a suitable archive available, move on to the next method. If you have previously backed up your iPhone to a Mac or PC, another option is restoring that backup. Connect your iPhone to the computer where you created the backup. On newer Macs, open Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar. Look for the option to restore a backup. Select a backup created before the contacts disappeared and follow the instructions. However, there's an important downside to this method. Restoring an entire iPhone backup can replace data currently on your device with data from that backup. So, if all you're trying to recover is one or two contacts, restoring the whole device might be more than what you want to do. Before assuming that your contacts have actually been deleted, make sure they aren't simply hidden or no longer syncing from one of your accounts. Open the Contacts app and tap Lists in the top left corner. Make sure you're viewing all the relevant contacts list. Your contacts may be stored across different accounts such as iCloud, Google, or another email account. You can also open Settings, go to Contact Settings and check your accounts. Select the account where your missing contacts were stored and make sure contact syncing is enabled. If contacts disappeared after changing an account or sync settings, turning contact syncing back on may bring them back. So definitely check this before trying anything more complicated. Now, the methods we have covered so far works best when your contacts are still stored somewhere else or you already have a usable backup. But what if you don't have one? For situations like that, you can try a dedicated iPhone data recovery tool. For this video, I'm using Tenorshare UltData. UltData is available for Windows and Mac and is designed to recover different types of lost iPhone data including contacts, messages, photos and other supported data. There are multiple recovery options available depending on your situation. Let's start with recovering data directly from the iPhone. First, install and launch UltData on your computer. From the main screen, choose the option to recover data from an iPhone or iOS device. Now connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Unlock the iPhone if required and trust the computer. Once UltData recognizes the device, you'll see different types of data it can scan for. Since we are looking for contacts, select Contacts. If you want to look for other deleted data at the same time, you can select those categories as well. Then start the scan. The scan can take some time depending on your device and how much data needs to be analyzed. Once it's complete, UltData will display the recoverable data it found. Go to Contact section and look through the available contacts. You can preview the information first instead of restoring everything blindly. Select the contacts you want to recover and then choose the available recovery option. This is useful when you don't want to restore your entire iPhone, just to retrieve a few pieces of information. Just remember that deleted data isn't guaranteed to be recoverable. The results depend on your device, the type of data, and what has happened since the data was deleted. UltData can also scan an existing iTunes or local iPhone backup on your computer. Choose the option to recover data from an iTunes backup. The software will display compatible backups available on the computer. Select the backup you want to check and scan it. You can then browse the data found inside the backup and look specifically for your missing contacts. This can be more convenient than restoring an entire backup to your iPhone when you're only interested in particular data. And there's also an option for retrieving supported data through iCloud. Choose the iCloud recovery option and follow the on-screen instructions to access the available iCloud data. From there, select the relevant data and let UltData scan what's available. Once the scan is complete, preview the results and select the information you want to recover. Which recovery mode makes the most sense will depend on whether the data is potentially on the iPhone itself, in a local backup, or available through iCloud. And that's how you can try to recover deleted contacts from an iPhone. I'd recommend starting with the free options first. Check your contacts list and accounts, see whether iCloud has an archived version of your contacts, and check whether you have an older computer backup. If these options don't work or you want more control on what you're trying to recover, you can check out TenorShare UltData using the link in the description. And one final tip, once you have recovered your contacts, make sure contact syncing and regular backups are enabled. It's much easier to restore important information when you already have another copy of it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone recovery tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.